All right, here we come to a big-sized elevator at the Turchin Center for the Visual Arts in Boone, North Carolina. I realize this is by Appalachian State University. This is a huge, huge elevator. This thing is huge. Wow, this thing is humongous. Holy joy. Wow, this is big. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor over the fan. Oh, I thought we stopped. Okay, I thought we stopped at one. What? Okay. What was I thinking? Anyways, here's your ADA compliant phone. I'm not sure. I don't know what brand this elevator is, but these are your fixtures. These look like some sort of Dewhurst, and looks like the door controls like flipped backwards. I was confused that this is the door closed, this door open, but it's swapped around. But anyways, these are your fixtures. Wow, this is humongous. And look at this, it's got a seat in here too. It's literally got a seat in this elevator. Look, this is huge and tall. My gosh, this is huge. This is one of the biggest elevators I've ever seen in my entire life. How many pounds does this hold? I don't see the... Oh, 15,000 pounds. Oh my gosh, this is big. This is just literally the size of a freight elevator. And look at this call station here. Dewhurst. Notice how the door doesn't open at the same time. One opens slow and the other one opens quick. See, look at this. See, the center opening doors just don't light up to each other. Anyways, these are your fixtures. I'll let you watch that again. See, look at this. See, look how divided the door operators. It's got to have like two separate door operators for each. I assume that this side has got their own door operator, and this door has their own separate door operator. So it's kind of like a regular 2-speed elevator, just kind of like this end or vice versa, or anything. It's not like door operators put all together. Anyways, I'm gonna go for one more ride, and this time I'm just gonna sit down and watch the indicator. If it works, that is. No, it barely works. All right, let's end it up 2. Starts up slow at first, and then it takes off at full speed. It's quite fast for a hydro. You know what, actually, I don't mean to do this, but I want to look at an intermediate station on the first floor. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and end on 2 because I don't want to keep riding up and down this elevator too much. But man, this thing is huge. I want to let you watch the door open. This is an interesting door operator habit of some sort. Intermediate call station. Oh, there's the lantern. Nice. It's very rare to find Dewhursts here in America. I'll let you watch the doors. All right, enough playing on this elevator. Let's go ahead and get off. All right, here we are at 2. There it goes, and that's it.